I'm if you chat patois or speak English. Oh yeah, cause I don't like I don't go Jamaicans alone. Alright. Alright, ready. Alright. Brr, brr, ma. Alright. Ready.
1 hour later.
1, 2, 3. Action. What? Alright. Serious thing. Before you cut me off on the phone, before you cut me off on the screen, just hear me have to say, hear me out. What do you go say?
2 hours later.
Wait, I need lip gloss.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Eventually.
What's good, YouTube? It's your favorite Slim Shady here in the building with her very first video. With that being said, welcome to my channel, babies! Period. As a new YouTuber, I think it is only right that you do the new YouTuber tag. So a couple days ago on my social media, I asked you guys to send me some questions you'd like me to answer as it regards to my YouTube channel, and you guys did, and I'm here with your answers. I hope you find them appealing. So without further ado, let's get into the video. By the way, guys, I'm recording from my phone. Therefore, I wrote the questions on a sheet of paper. So if you see me looking down multiple times, that's why. And you'll see me reading, so you'll get the gist. Question number 1. What is your name? My name is RAFAYENNEVOR. Yes, sis. RAFAYENNEVOR. Yeah, girl. RAFAYENNEVOR. Pause. I know I am in fact the only person you know with that name, so it is only fair, it is only right that you pause the video, click that subscribe button, click the bell to turn on your post notification, and just give your girl a like from now. Go get like 5 seconds. Ready? Alright. Question number 2. Where are you from? Take a guess. Take a good guess now. I am from J to the A to the M to the A to the ICA. Like, couldn't you tell the beauty? Like, honey. Question number 3. How old are you? Guys, I know I look 10, 11, and 12, but no. I am 21 years young. Okay? 21. Question number 4. Is this your first channel, and why? Yes, this is my first channel. Why? I've been wanting to do this YouTube thingy for a while now, but I had work plus reality, which would automatically equals to limited to no time, and I did not want to start a YouTube channel and be inconsistent. But as y'all know, the world is going through this terrible pandemic, which is the coronavirus, whereas governments are urging their citizens to just stay inside to limit the spreading of the disease. Now, I worked at the airport. The ports in my country are closed. So my company laid off the persons working there for a period of time. So I'm here saying I have that period of time on my hands, why not just make the YouTube channel? Question number 5. What's the name of your channel and what does it mean? The name of my channel is RAFAYA, and that is just my full first name spelled backwards. Question number 6. What is your channel going to be about? My channel is going to be about me, obviously, spreading positivity, sharing lifestyle, sharing beauty, sharing tips, sharing tricks, sharing a bit of vlog, I hope, because I am such a house rat, guys. So I don't know why I'm up here in my feelings for quarantine, as if quarantine never did keep more than even it gone away. But yeah, as I go along, the contents will develop and I'll share anything I have with you. I'm trying to make my channel not be a set branding. I want even an elder to come and watch my channel and be like, oh, RAFAYA or IFR, whatever you wish to call me. Or I want a youngin come and say, oh, RAFAYA. I don't want my channel to be just set on one thing, you know? So yeah. Question number 7. Why should anyone subscribe to my channel? I feel like people should subscribe to my channel if they find me entertaining, beautiful, interesting, and I don't know, if you like seeing me, if you like hearing my voice, just subscribe to the channel, hit that post notification bell, give me some like and leave some positive comments. It will be truly appreciated. But what I do know is, if you do not find me appealing, if you don't think I'm beautiful, if you don't like me, please do not come over here. Please do not subscribe. If you can block me on YouTube, block me, because honey, 2020 itself full of too much negativity if you carry over my side. Negativity drain energy, and I'm not with that life, okay? Thank you. Question number 8. Favorite YouTubers. I have a lot, but the ones that I have on the top of my head, let me tell you. King and Shay, the Ace family, DK4L, Kennedy Simone, DDG and his family, Dishay Frost and his family, Chuko Savage, Gio and Ken. Yeah, I have a lot. I have a lot of YouTubers. I have a lot, but those are just the ones that I have on the top of my head right now. Yeah. Question number 9. What inspired you to do YouTube? As I said before, I've always wanted to try this YouTube thingy out. However, I didn't really have the time, so shout out to quarantine. Yeah. Oh, and my co-worker Monique, she, a long time ago I was talking to her as it regards to YouTube, and she was like, girl, I have a channel, whatever, you should do it if that's what you want. You can try whatever. It's not going to be easy. Yeah. Her name on YouTube is Miss Mobe. So yeah, shout out to Monique for like telling me go ahead or whatever. Okay, you know, in Jamaica some people are like, YouTube, you want to go to YouTube, blah 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 blah, whatever. Yeah, so shout out to you, girl. And again, her channel is Miss Mobe. Where do you see your channel in a couple of years from now? In a couple of years from now, I see my channel like blowing up, literally 2K if not more subs, and I just really want people to like gravitate to my energy and to just appreciate my entertainment. So how did I do? Was it okay? That's it from me, guys, in today's video. I will be recording the personal Q&A right after this, so please be sure to look out for that video. Also, if you haven't already, please remember to subscribe, turn on your post notification, like, and leave a positive comment. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Keep safe. Walk good. Peace.